All right, quick show of hands, or, well, a mental show of hands since this is a video. How many of you have stared blankly at a sprawling to-do list, feeling like you're drowning in a sea of tasks? I mean, really, truly felt that overwhelming sense of, where do I even start? We've all been there, right? That's where project management tools like Asana swoop in, promising to be our digital organizational saviors. But let's be real, those monthly subscription fees can be a bit intimidating, especially if you're just starting out or, like many of us, trying to navigate the ever-shifting landscape of freelance work, side hustles, or personal projects. So here's the burning question, the one that's probably brought you here today. Can I use Asana for free forever? Is it a myth, a limited time offer, or a genuine, sustainable option for those of us on a budget? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Asana's pricing plans, let's take a moment to understand why a tool like Asana is so appealing in the first place. Think about it. We're juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and team members, often across different time zones. Email threads become chaotic, important documents get lost in the shuffle, and communication breaks down. That's where Asana, with its intuitive interface and task management features, promises to bring order to the chaos. Imagine having a central hub where you can assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and communicate with your team, all in one place. That's the allure of Asana. It's not just a to-do list. It's a dynamic platform that can adapt to your specific workflow, whether you're managing a small team or working on a solo project. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the free version. Yes, Asana does offer a free plan, and it's called the Basic Plan. And yes, you can technically use it forever. But like most things in life, there are caveats. The Basic Plan is designed for individuals or small teams just getting started. It offers core features like task management, list views, calendar views, and basic project overviews. You can collaborate with up to 15 team members, which is great for small groups. You can create unlimited tasks and projects. This is a huge benefit for those who don't want to worry about capping out their projects. However, the free plan has limitations. You won't have access to advanced features like timelines, portfolios, custom fields, or advanced reporting. These features, which are crucial for larger teams and complex projects, are reserved for the paid plans. Think of it like this. The free plan is like a basic car. It'll get you from point A to point B, but it won't have all the bells and whistles of a luxury model. You'll have the essentials, but not the extras. So, is the free plan enough? It depends on your needs. If you're a freelancer managing your own projects, or a small team working on relatively simple tasks, the free plan might be perfectly adequate. You can create lists, assign tasks, and keep track of deadlines without spending a dime. But if you're managing complex projects with multiple dependencies, or if you need to track progress across multiple projects, you'll likely find the limitations of the free plan frustrating. You'll miss the timeline views, which are essential for visualizing project schedules. You'll miss the portfolio features, which allow you to track the progress of multiple projects at once. And you'll miss the custom fields, which allow you to add specific information to your tasks. Let's break down the paid plans briefly. Asana offers several paid tiers, each with its own set of features and pricing. The premium plan, for example, unlocks features like timelines, custom fields, and advanced search. The business plan adds portfolios, goals, and workload management. And the enterprise plan offers even more advanced features, including security and administration controls. The price of each plan varies depending on the number of users and the billing cycle. It's important to carefully evaluate your needs and choose a plan that aligns with your budget and requirements. Now, let's get back to that forever part. While Asana's basic plan is indeed free indefinitely, it's worth considering whether it's truly sustainable in the long run. As your projects grow and your team expands, you might find yourself needing those advanced features. Think of it as an investment. A paid plan can save you time and streamline your workflow, ultimately increasing your productivity and efficiency. It can also prevent costly mistakes and communication breakdowns that can arise from using a limited free plan. So, instead of thinking of it as a cost, think of it as an investment in your productivity and growth. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're a marketing team managing multiple campaigns. With the free plan, you can create tasks and assign them to team members. But you won't be able to visualize the campaign timeline or track the progress of multiple campaigns at once. With a paid plan, you can use timelines to visualize campaign schedules, portfolios to track the progress of multiple campaigns, and custom fields to track specific campaign metrics. Another thing to consider is the level of support you receive. Free plans typically come with limited support, while paid plans offer priority support and access to resources like training and webinars. Ultimately, the decision of whether to stick with the free plan or upgrade to a paid plan depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're just starting out, the free plan can be a great way to get familiar with Asana and its features. But as your projects grow and your team expands, you might find that the paid plans offer a better return on investment. Think of the free plan as a trial period, a way to test the waters and see if Asana is the right fit for you. If you find that you're constantly bumping up against the limitations of the free plan, it's probably time to consider upgrading. It's all about finding the right balance between cost and functionality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.